Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a set of pans. I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We have Bundt cake pan. So this one here, look at that. It's a nice kind of a non-stick, solid metal. I guess it's gonna be aluminum, but it's thick and it's a nice little Bundt cake pan. So this is great for making little Bundt cakes. So we have that one here, and we have a second one here. So we got a set of two Bundt cake pans. And they are, I don't know what size they are. Let me see, does it say? It says 2-pack Bundt cake pan. I don't know, I guess it's just a traditional Bundt cake pan, so whatever it is. So you could probably make two at the same time. It looks like when I make my cake mixes, you probably put one in each of these to make it like that way if you just use the canned, or not the boxed cake mix. But these are nice Bundt cake pans, and seems like they're gonna work good. I think, is it pink maybe on the back? Kind of interesting color, but I needed some Bundt cake pans. I like to make some certain graham cracker crumb Bundt cake chocolate chip. It's chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and graham crackers. I think it's pretty much all it is. And you kind of mix it up in there and cook it, and it's got the most delicious thing ever with powdered sugar on top. So that's what I'll probably be making with this here for the holidays. We want to make two at the same time because I got a set of two. So super cool, and I like it. Thumbs up.